Dear students, today we will discuss about the Vedic literature. Veda, the word comes from Ved. Veda means knowledge. Vedic text is divided into two types. One is Shruti and another is Smriti. Shruti is based on hearing and Smriti is based on memory. Veda is divided into four types. One is Rig Veda, Sam Veda, Yajur Veda and Atharva Veda. Veda are composed in Sanskrit language. Rig Veda. Rig Veda is the oldest Veda. It is composed around 1700 BC. Contains 1028 mantras divided into 10 mandals. Third mandal contains the Gayatri mantra. Gayatri mantra is composed by Vishwamitra, Savitri, Sun. God is prayed in Gayatri mantra. Second to seventh mandals are oldest in Rig Veda. Bharat name comes first in Rig Veda. Most important Rig Vedic god is Indra. Indra is the first deity during the Rig Veda. Saraswati, deity river in the Rig Veda. God Varuna. It is the guardian of the cosmic order. The word Gatra occurs for the first time in the Rig Veda. Samveda. It is derived its root from Saman. Saman means melodies. Samveda contains Drupad Raga. Yajurveda. It is deals with performance of sacrifice. Yajurveda texts are divided into two types. One is Shukla and another is Krishna. Shukla is white and Krishna is black. Atharva Veda. It contains charm and spells towards of evil and disease. Atharva Veda is known as Brahm Vedas. Vedanta. The other name of Vedanta is Upanishads. Mainly Vedanta contains philosophy, which is related to education. In Vedanta, there are 108 Upanishads. 800 BC to 500 BC period is known as Upanishads. All Upanishads are designated in this time. In Vedanta, there are 11 Mukhya Upanishads. 800 BC to 600 BC, it is known as period of Brahmans. Aranyaka deals with the hermits living in the forest. Vedangas, known as the limbs of Vedas, these are treatises on science and arts. Shiksha, which means pronunciation or phonetics. Kalpa deals with rituals. Vyakarana deals with grammar. Nirukta deals with explanation. Chanda deals with metrics. And the word Jyotisha deals with astronomy. Panini. Panini is the first grammarian of the Sanskrit language. Panini period was 600 BC to 500 BC. Panini written Ashtadhyayi. Upavedas. Upavedas are divided by four types. One is Ayurveda, other are Gandharva Veda, Dhanurveda, Sthapatya Veda. Ayurveda, it is the Upaveda of Rig Veda. Gandharva Veda is the Upaveda of Samveda. Dhanurveda, it is the Upaveda of Yajurveda. Sthapatya Veda, it is the Upaveda of Atharva Veda. Ayurveda deals with medicine. Gandharva Veda deals with art and music. Dhanurveda deals with art of warfare. Sthapatya Veda deals with architecture. Patanjali, known for the complications of Yoga Sutra, expounder of Yoga philosophy. Munjar, Bihar. Munjar is situated in Bihar, where first Yuga University was established. Puranas, the old religious book of the Aryans. There are 18 Puranas. Most important Puranas are the Bhagavad Puranas and the Vishnu Puranas. Sutra literature are divided in 3 classes. These are Sauta Sutra, Griha Sutra, Dharma Sutra. Ramayana. It is a older epic composed by Rishi Valmiki. There are 7 khanda in Ramayana. These are Balakhanda, Ajodhya Khanda, Aranya Khanda, Kiskinda Khanda, Sundara Khanda, Juddha Khanda. Mahabharata. Mahabharata is written by Rishi Vyasa. Written original language is Sanskrit. Srimad Bhagavad Gita is also written in Sanskrit. There are 18 Parvas, Smritis, Dharma Shastra. The other name of Smriti is Dharma Shastra. Manu, the great lawgiver of ancient time. Manusmriti deals with law. The other name of Manusmriti is Manav Dharma Shastra. Battle of Mahabharata was 18 days. Nibhi, Paridhana, Adibhasa are the different type of grammar of Aryans.